All right. Then the uncle, the okay, and the repeat it. Besides, I obey me. I can do that. I mean, obey me. I can.
Yo, Benjamin Nana Osei.
Oh, okay. Benjamin Pacho, obey me. I can watch so much. Why ne Benjamin Nana Osei?
Mr. Medase, in that. Obisa, Mr. Member, and I'm so in the because me kafan kakra because me tune I am on koye I.
Oh, betting Sabaya, you want to cheat. No, so but yes, yeah, no betting the Afra Fantine Brofone, Asante Castle, no betting the Afra come.
Okay, Mate. Yeah, what more talk ready, but meaning what tema. Na meba school, high school na college or University of Minnesota. Sisi I'm Houston, Texas. Now, mko school as a engineering student. Na me engineer, mechanical engineer. Now, Mr. Sang call IT. The CCR me IT project manager at bank. And my major mama Morton there me need database. We deal with database anti-money laundering data and terrorist data and I don't know. I'm in me move one washroom no we'll make sure that nipa boni
for me bacho no yebeko ho ba me pese me nya background kakra bi Ghana uka fanti de na te so ye fanti me boa
me ye kwa fanti ya
kwa fanti o de na ye kwa na
mpapa na ye kwa ni na me fanti ni.
Oh, okay. Na utna Ghana check akra na.
Yeah, mitna a takrade for about 10-11 years na mitna tema. Nti tema na ose michi no. Tema na on the chi wa waka wa tema na what the fra.
Ah, yes. Yeah. Okay, and then you perceive no kasa about AI technology, everything every corner be a bit me I can no. Yepe.
Okay.
Yepe when nipa ben and as a when and a bit me I duma as a technology person and as a AI person school ben what's so saying now yeah we see rasa partner.
Today I make me go school no. Now me was school as an engineer. Me graduate as engineer, mechanical engineer. Major man and me I more of me design sensors na different schematics for products. Obotum kofo wotum we no we semi design we are now obi I then we see then that major man them not but as time goes on me share guy be now also a BBI everything is moving to a technology into me the musia technology now me started there me certificate na the into me juma mo nya no onye me degree na me dey or a certificate na me na medinya edwuma mo no nti Morton there is a pedco AI if you want to go into technology na na on yet by fourth they call 4-year college sometimes able to you can go into certificate in your whole 2-month certificate 6-month certificate but I there specialize you have to specialize in and what I do is mostly our database na data engineering and a data warehouse into what kind of data or adibia information
before we betray data no me pese me mete here me menye good in that side me pese minima me pese o chere me at the crop pot na AI.
Okay, nti AI no onye it's not something different. Onye adibia or efofo bia tsa nti AI na na ye dey da garage it's or I dey dey da garage the so obi use computer cry or use AI will be using the phone now or use AI. But AI na CCI one or friend generative AI. Oh no, or use information be today data no. Data no what the AI no or components be three or friend models. Model no it's the wide okay. Your brain is like a model. It's a bit or wide, but only answer. But into the model or today, why do you know? Why do you know able to my but in tune and yeah, the engine into algorithm no. Oh no, oh yeah, the show how watching algorithm no count or show how watching. Now information that at the journal on our friend database no. Nti say afraba and else nyina wo ada ebe wo be kire obia no wo wo maame na wo papa enyama wo be kire wo school ada ebe kwa wo be kire wo nyankofo enyama wo be kire nia no ono ye information na edi gu chima den obe ma hu de eye nipa de eye nipa papa na de eye nipa boni etima me kana sa nti these are the three things that on my AI know your different things, or machine learning, or deep learning, or what can they different AI. But my AI na you use CCR or friend generative AI. And it's a today will be kind of the chat GPT. I mean, I'm saying that another Gemini or large language models will use information or internet to know what they then what they mean answers into AI no at that computer up at the ocean today yang no all ye bibia yang ye be catching the okay corner koye into say over the effort Siri or phone that if you send Siri what is the temperature of actually today's temperature is day I will be able to know because what the damn information I send it to there obi all baby to know obi sawa now then I catch you there this is the temperature into a Siri no what the model no what the build the Siri no now what trend how on today log algorithm into say if you go to Facebook let's say like another if you go to TikTok what like if you like if you what share there also when you are the madden no I recommend them videos now more at answer it's only no AI and algorithm no into what you put out there no that's what the AI no will give to you into say because the AI no AI is dangerous it's it's taking our jobs on no correct because I hear the train AI no why then why for you juma into AI no on your computer watching same more that's what can I say on your computer watching same or I hear information that's your computer no the on drink today this is going to be this into F for AI I could put it if you want a navigation system phone navigation system like addition I'll bet short a different route but about for one single route good for you because if you are trafficking we see the traffic in New York if you are on the construction New York it's all the AI has to do is pick something that is good for you why then no actual that's okay. What AI is
okay na mama nsa yesisan kofa wo ho yenchi mama nsa komati na memisa wasem ba ko pebi wa ansa yesen ato aso one started as a AI personnel obi na introduce ma o na abewuram that means ejuma now yen first na degree now yen first no na enkoye sika ni that side no na ade program na ura AI no so no I make it different be sika ba like sika sem you okay bi e ma ejuma bebre ana e word AI side
yeah enti sisia no the world is technology bibia technology but to them I was a university graduate for engineering to a friend mechanical design engineering sikawum but onto the technology sikano now I'm also menu fitting like I like to get to information I like to get to know me someone more of a predictive analytics. Them the major managing or friend predictive analytics. May use information then my predict and that over obviously what in future. And more I think it was I forgot the year. Let me more one engineering company and one of them called Switzerland. Switzerland. Into me buy no now me nyanko bi kasa na I say technology is the future. Into start today seeing technology on your man. Into I mean no technology though awesome. There's so many things. If you are cyber security or technology, if you are network administrator, developer, even analyst in our technology. But I'm going to concentrate our data and database. I didn't tell me choose a database in it. AI, it uses only a driver. I bet it use at the drive. What I will move. What kind is fuel? Fuel is AI. Database is fuel for AI. Into no here. Into CCR no. It be so be a bit of catch the data is the new oil. Into all those times now when the oil will be a Ghanaian oil and I don't know CCR no data is the new oil. So if you don't know data now, when you go into data now, you are going into the oil industry. That's the equivalent. Into no here, but in coffee into what I do now is I teach people how to preserve your data, learn data, and use data to make money.
Okay. All right. Okay. Into that means AI no and this cyber security no. Omo boy bra like omo ye the same and I say omo ye different.
Different. Into IT know what different discipline. Okay, IT a bit me analyst or IT, between your project manager, between your developer, front end developer, back end developer, between your DevOps, between your cyber security. You can get all different discipline with IT, but AI is AI it's IT but it's also human. What's that again? Into what AI is trying to do is a juma only juma be so you build or build AI in such a way that sanka nipa that's in all your AI now. Alright then computer no would think like nipa that's in. That's my can answer.
Yeah.
The computer would think like human beings. Into how I can even create an AI or cell who will do everything just like you. Bibia awe epe biano epe cappuccino and a drive and you go work out, it will do everything just like what you do. That's what AI is, But AI, were different stages. We have AI the data. We really like before chat GPT now they know Siri and Google Assistant now before there was all these things now there was AI before in TCC the AI now we have our friend generative AI which will generate a lot of data into TCC if you are into data now you are very important when it comes to data cleansing, data manipulation, data warehousing, all these things. If you have the skills set in there, you will make a lot of money in AI.
Okay. Okay. Into that means more employ nipa na say.
So what I do is I'm may advocate for data in Africa. Into what it means in there. Africa ya kitchen when it comes to getting our own data. We entomb and build young data because we haven't put in place a policies and a governance, to do that. So Eco Europe, you can entomb, you can't just start collecting data. You have to adhere to a policies or Europe. But Eba Africa, Obia Tumba, but Obia Facebook. Now they are sharing their data. Obia TikTok, they can share their data. It's companies, they are collecting the data, without our consent. Another, they are even selling it without our consent. So my what I do as an advocate, is tell people, to be very conscious about your information that you put out there. Very important. What data is you. It's part of you. Or it's there. Someone is touching you without your consent. So be so without your consent. It's the same thing as while for data we use without your consent. So it's more of a privacy issue. Internet privacy, a lawsuit now, I don't know, is because it's part of you and someone is using it. Okay. And what I do is I teach people how to make sure, say, your data now use, you are giving it out because you want to give it out. I will nepe there, yeah. And to say obi ton wo data, no, for example, like TikTok sells your data to a third party, you can sue the person. You can sue TikTok. That's one thing. It's a lawyer Sylvia will call you, like text you. Like these things, are very important. Stay. You be named someone, a company, or a company comes to Ghana and will start to collect data now. We can actually sue them and make sure that they do the right thing. Into AI, more to the day, there are some developers, there are people that will train one to the, okay, they will build a model, they will build algorithm, they will build, the data flow into the different way. So if you are interested in going to AI, what I was saying today, what we call AI bootcamp. Echo bootcamp na ebusua nyama bebre ehu there what abedin, like what fits you, okay, what makes you want to go into AI. You ansana, you choose a discipline, then I start today a year for certification now, because right now companies like Google and companies like Microsoft, they are looking to hire a lot of AI people. They are looking to hire a lot of them. It is very important that you study, you go to AI school, AI work, and then boot camp. Then which one fits you?
Okay, na mami misa asem bi wa, so wakasa more about AI no. Niema etimu ye. Ma adwemu no. Won gini se sa AI semu ebema nipa aye kwadefo. Take human ability. Does AI taking human ability for us to be lazy, thinking for us everything? And yes, no per se. I mean,
okay. On there, edwuma bia o bia no, obi o nkofo open way. They have people that want to do the job, or they have people that don't want to do the job. AI, what most companies are doing there, they washeshe edwuma e kofo mpede way no. Why then they will put it into AI, which is called automating. So you automate the process, Now I'm a computer, why then wafa automation, wafa a human and conform pen, no, why then wa convert into AI. But say AI no cramp, if so AI no offer human, it creates another job. Into say me find there, like if they take away what can they, like cleaning, robot cleaning, cleaning the hospital. They have a robot that is cleaning the hospital. It will create another job. Obibo operates robots. So you see that. And so there's more jobs available for even if it takes away the way now, it will a job now, it will create another job. Someone has to operate. On another, like you have to go to school or have to go to boot camp, another certificate, and see which one you like.
Okay. Now wokasa no metesa obo Ghana. Inti that means more nkrabata e Ghana, more employing for more children for ade e Ghana.
Yeah.
Na say yes sir. Do you guys have any challenges going through that?
Okay. And see, Ghana the channel, ninya education system. Because Ghana will be to the critical thinking no, you find an education system. And see, it makes it really hard for Akwalano or Bano or the Nigeriano cannot think about how AI works. It's like right now, many non-profits we are trying to help the students in education.
Benjamin, Pacho, show your face. Benji, show your face, Mr. Possible, yeah.
Okay, hold on. Now my camera need twitch into now. Hold on.
Oh, okay.
Okay. See, Ghana, the education system doesn't support too much of AI system, like an ecosystem. And see, what they have to do right now, we have a non-profit that is helping kids in Ejira and Tema and in Kolano. So, they are not in Kola, they are between ages of 12 to, 16, 17. And they almost say, like, we also have in Kola or Baltimore and then Brazil. But you can tell the difference, between in Kolana or Ahano and in Kolana or Ghana because they are not exposed to some of these AI. If you have Alexa that, if you have computer that. Inti Edin say, no, not during the bed say, Sana AI, this is how AI is, and what we are doing, say, your name Nkolano Bomo, na somo ye trauma there. Most of the time, you do have one computer for Nkola 8 Ghana. And see, like Obi American or you see one computer, about me I different research. But the over Ghana Edrano or you see I saw chairman and down for we I do and son on also why they when you turn I away. And see the AM said we are raising funds yet talk, not only laptops for them but also like data. To me because you say a laptop now be on to me crumple and come online because we need data. And apart from that, so classroom crumple home koi, and need electricity, I'm better charge way online. Obi also before we so extra curriculum, and I saw movie school. Omo school and son omo chance omo I don't maba no be how open school I saw cotton ade no boa if you nti on to me e crampo the ensia nti most of the time no market nkola no more Ghana no market but Garanka Microsoft and other companies we are trying to see how enya not only because Bebreno almost or book how a computer no crampo they are just learning say this is computer, this is Microsoft ni practicals but who say like wa kuma person musia to me right now the Ghana kakra bi na omo isikafo na omo sika no omo na obi a obeka say bia they are learning AI and crampo no enye advanced AI bia because teacher bi o wa yeah the teacher na o che na de na across monti ase oh yeah on sua teacher na is not certified to teach AI eti the option ya no ono se nyame boana se otumi nya light kakra onya computer kakra ansa na ono se kusua kakra na why na wabechira nkola but who say nkofo like they are interested in AI no they are learning but if you walk crampo osua we crampo onim ade a ode be anything because osua say development but how do you develop all these things and how do you develop something that is marketable something that will sell will make you money.
Okay.
And they like almost here mentors. They need a mentor. They need teachers. They need people to help with the infrastructure. They need
Oh. Inti Wokasanobo Ajra, right? Ajra. Pe ena mo onkla mo chro mo na say ebi mo Accra Kumasi na other stuff mo obi mo
that be Benjamin Nana Osei because nkola no we say we no kofa bebre aka ho a ebe din na almost sometimes crampo no almost transportation to the teaching center no crampo din I said we send you sika say almost fan for sika car eti idea din kakra but sisi ano ye won nkola 78 e wo Ejira which is it
wow.
So nkofo any they like the one person who see apa and then na you will be what tema but teachers also enya yem kola maybe school be na why wa organizing kola no more aba but if you true baby omo fi say say yes senior musica no mo use the almost say mo dey no na time any a resource I try say they boa. Sometimes almost request to sign nyama na you need to guy ever the bet yam kola if you walk on pay diane on beti crop na but you boa kakra.
Okay, question maybe say who here pay because it do adwumasem dey ya na menni ho agro. Into how can AI education empower Ghanaian youth and contribute the country development?
Yeah, it's an edwuma wo AI na edoso ukofo nni ho mo ye they say omo wo train omo train a enka what Ghana crampo wetumi enya sika wa ampo wetumi ndi because sisi an crampo ko chat GPT na so wo hwehwe edwuma wetumi use chat GPT aye enyama bebre a like try I'm a friend of digital products. There are so many digital products. One kasankasa you can build ubetumi aton not only a social media but there are social media marketing jobs ubetumi use AI. Now what small companies on person build on a presence for social media to say TikTok and Facebook and I don't know what should show more. You just use the AI to develop content for them. And Crown can make you about $6,000 a month. And Crown can make you $6,000 a month. There are so many jobs. Nkofu people ebano AI nankasana ebano like to say models na developers ubetimi esua as a developer. We are building a company, you were building a fintech company Ghana and South Africa. Here AI for to as a developer to build those, to learn those things. And a drew one, let's say, you should show mom for some AI and I bet me grandpa and I harm. Until the Juma, they will hope a young young of
Okay. Enti obi betimi awo Ghana na wa apply adwuma about AI and as cyber security e wo krom ha wa sa wo Ghana.
Yeah,
Obi betimi asa.
I 100%. I don't hear no internet in the computer. So internet in the computer. They be no which me make $100 a day. It's so easy. It's I'm trying to put together a workshop. I bet for how to do all these things. Me as I say, I'm in same and I'm a chair colano identity me time in here, but I'm trying to be because say bet me the workshop be at 20 at share for how you can make easy money with AI because AI is hey so when you see and that's okay chair every baby no and one will be use it, and instead of so over bread who share content managers Facebook and any TikTok near you can use AI to automate all these things. They what's now what can what they want a developer companies bear 10, 20 year who manage it. Nti ninya yeah how obi bet show how be but edwuma there yeah.
Okay. Enti wo kasa won se wa base more e won kla na motete omo ewura technology no. Na se obi ye pani no Ghana me fa se be 20s 30s na sa still or person change ne career e be wura that side wa. Na so nipa no contact wa wo betimi ama no a kire na na so betimi a lead into that way na so betimi a sign na obisa ya wo beboa sa nipa.
Yeah, and me na nkasa no me nya obi a me chere mpenifo AI like they may no a non-profit like something like I feel like doing na me bon kola no ta omo ye me shada a whole business but say obi pese osua sa de na metimi ni na start it. But ebeya abutre kakra because enya dia meye metimi nya start but there are other companies so omoye omo chire mpenimfo how to switch from their current career to technology and AI and but to say that me AI I'm more of the database enti say obi person also how to manage data data developer data integrity all these different data way na discipline na metumi na akasa and my train on how they can go in and they can make money so who computer na so who chat GPT ubetumi aye bibia ubetumi affiliate market ubetumi there's so many ejuma nti mesansa about back to that so metumi any nkofo kase no me hu how metumi asiesie na I'll come back to that na maboa omo person omusua no maybe many another company here kase you person start workshop for adults but now omo kase so mutua na identity we are finding ways to make it available.
Okay, so for that matter, do you employ people from outside? Outside America here, for example,
Yeah.
Ghana and other.
Yeah, and see, actually, one of the companies that I'm pay Africans and
Oh wow!
now I'm from ADRF, African Diaspora Revival Fund. Me almost CEO is trying to raise $10 trillion in 5 years to build projects in all over the place. One of the projects is a fintech in Ghana and South Africa. Fintech is it's a bank online, and so it's almost a banks now. Or more branches. We're not in your branch. It's strictly online bank. Be to say PayPal, Stripe, and they're all fintech companies. But they want to have their presence in Africa, and are more very strict on hiring from Africa. It doesn't matter who you're Brunei or you're Bibini, but if you're all on the continent in Kotia, they will hire you. I am working with them for when it comes to the cybersecurity and AI side. And see, I was doing some high level positions high level positions, useful for their cybersecurity and AI side, But me and no me companies are me one yeah high wo Ghana yeah one kola mo yedwuma Ghana but Ninia are different. Sometimes Ghana for no when you yedwuma obi o ha office oh
yeah what quarantine no but because and come next question baby sound or no
okay in kola na yen omo yedwuma Ghana ebi no omo very good, omo ni made they've learned their own. But obi oha until as say company no odi edwuma na ba Ghana no is because of person or cut cost. And so who as a developer no who call internet so no who share prices, who share you can't say not prices, but who share how the pay no goes a salary now who compare to someone in America. Because no odi edwuma na ba no or take a risk. What Ghana no the chances of getting hacked with the job higher. Nti ebi wo ha me nkase nkwala no mo Ghana no ni made minimum ayedwuma they know, but some of the skill sets no ebi no ha nim business, how to combine the skill set with business betumi build on Nti bebre ni here mentors here obi o be mentor say okay because China for no mo je adwuma no no mo je for a low cost. Untumi compare obi a wo America ne salary to wo ade a wo ye wo Ghana is because cost of living is different. Until obi wo ha so churn say how wo be but bebre no nkala no mo Ghana no bebre omu ni made obi wo so ba obi dwane ni ma keke so minimum obi wo so until you have to you have to test them, give them some tests. No one will say they are good, but be brand new or brand new has said Miss Yadi. I collab coming Joshua. I know they be a person or person and me crampono. I am a top courses, AI courses, man. No, see, my top course are man because meaning say a better baby no or be how obey then over to me or Nakumo woman or person. Ebi also say mini o de adwuma no mana ebedru baby no na I say adwuma no na wa boka yeah
okay nti ebia na make us obi a we high school sisia 8 me or you very much interested say opeso room but how to get in a problem we new kwan obefa so o bibi wo ha team was such young guys now mo person move maybe cyber security, maybe that AI things no wo bibi wo ha within the boom 18 more enter like training and school some I mean
and most of the time so company by hire or person say why training or accredited school and you say school be some
where they are running new about it. He just want to go to that side, like sharing to him.
In first say like obi say obi to me echo AI or cybersecurity or technology anything you can most of the time obi started as analyst but the American say boot camp. No, she should boot camp be not call. Not sure how or more try there. So we need Jinwan. No why there. No also why the why start to say she show me. I mean because okasa okoye certification let's say we need Jinwan. Let's say a back because certifications baby no and yet free. And she said open so would sika koshima ko boot camp be one more boot camp baby why free be also very cheap. I don't know but sure will say when you make any and that's meaning because if you are free office if you are free you can say automobile and I say like and yet it has nothing to do with AI and I say technology. Until before I will be coming, I saw tears. Now, secondly, so I saw unim computer, how you use to computer. So unim, basics of computer now, and it's a bad thing. Into Sanyam Yamano, Usia, now we are boot camper. Obet me, I coincide, but so we invest on whom so to me invest time any small winner the catch in 1 month to meet you on hooker.
Wow.
In 1 month to meet you on hooker. Yeah.
Okay, where the men can say silly question, who hear me pay the ria nafe mama kwan me giri se was me te se na wo ka se wa bie adwuma bi wo Ghana nti me bisa question we na me ria na waka adwuma no ho asem waka ho asem bebre a kire obi a sen esi ko no na ne aka once the first in the Ghana na panimfo na especially no mo de pen and the bokoro no nti me fast sa ade na ye 100 a say 10 na atwe 10 aka ho na ye 100 me boa. Say AI ne cyber security ne hwan ni nyina ba mu no ebetimi a stop sa side no anas afei no mo baye nkese
David and me da se waka na 2012 na me wo Ghana won in 2011 na mo Ghana me call GMPC or mo IT department na unhu say inyama bebre omo ye no omo yusu omo throw pen at you instead of so omo de be share computer mu no is because omo pay something called transparency obi o ha say say what is share computer ma you can there's always a way for you to track that way information but throw pen so ebetimi share betimi obi crampo obeka say crime na ne homework and see say yeah omo convert bibia ko digital ebe save inyama ebe save corruption better ebe so papa because no black and white so okay say a computer no has a crampo there is backup you be hu idea we and no, say to me, I convert it from pen and paper no into computer now. Ebe saving and sika bebre e wo mine. Ye be hu nkofo echi untimi ntwantro. The bibia wa bia wo sign bia no a digital footprint. Nti ye betumi akohwehwe mu say papa we now oye sign is check we e command nipa we. Nti bebre no one thing Africa for years struggle is governance, IT governance. Say you to me establish infrastructure ebe to me among kofo a ombe audit sa kofo obi ha o ye nyame bia on pese obi ahun but ye the independent audit eba no mo hwehwem no mo mind say okay sika no ekoha sika we entumi nyira just like that ye unim baby ekoye your computers you the chair your all these digital footprint and see say to me introduce all these things na ebe boy corruption papa and the me catch me pen for say establish governance.
Our abusiafo na wa getting ready so wo question bi opese obi sa Benji wo beti start say obeba enche ye be pick question wo question bia pese obi sa ni bia no you ready say obeba onya request ya pe me accept na afi wa aba be bisa o question bia ope Benji me patcho me pese me ma okonya we na udi kan say more company bi wo Ghana from beginning to the end ubetimi aka bibia about company no I mean ton akasi
enti na many partners na your company be or US your friend of Cornerstone Given a donation platform. It is and saying sorry ni a non-profit no say be fundraising online because you kind of say platform any technology in sorry baby need technology people and see the and say yes platform no and I saw be able to make use and it will streamline with technology when that will live stream or donations any given yeah will sorry you kind of say sermons any podcast bibia like what person would say sorry no sambia what me coincide now I the ways but I saw for the baby almost pay how platform no emo insorin ba no etumi etua offering any title very very easy nti na saying na ye extend e Ghana ti ye the momo no aka ho akọ Ghana this is ya no wo Ghana na so pese sorry and I say non-profit be and I say any a way wo pese wo use Eddie pet and users and I say sorry but and I say obi boa wo say obi ha or say me back yes surgery to me here sasika we no be on that two Facebook na dey no so open what was I no ultimate sign up no ide we use to raise funds bi wa enye Ghana fun kwa na ebe boa obi a wo Canada US you kind of say Canada, US, Europe, baby, opese, obi bua no. Now what did say we course not to home. And see, I'm a friend of CS Give, your friend of CS Give. Into our Ghana, yeah, be launch our Ghana and bia, yeah, be start to see a bomb devro kakra. Now call for I started so mu use so a app, to say app yeah different, simple as app. Or call App Store no I download it. Na what start to say who you so ama or conference here. And no me nkwala na omo building omo nya mo Ghana. Enti yeah Ghana boys no almost build this agent. And
wow.
Not enya eno kwa no build it, different apps and the platforms enti yeah Ghana mom de yo omo ni ma de pa but and one say you're paying for them bomb with the infrastructure be na light off na as so baby juma but yeah your friend CS Give to call App Store and I say we call Google Player which mean what type is CS Give no I download it
nti ano no den ankasa den potina
Eboa ma se wo pese wo hwehwe obi na waboa for so wo hia mboa bi say yeah wo hia obi o sorry na wo hia enya Ghana fun kwa na ebeboa wa wo pese obi o America eboa wa wo pese obi o Europe obeboa o Canada obeboa wa wo download dia obi a o bibia no ebetimi aboa instead of say Ghana fun kwa no obetimi raise funds a platform listen.
Okay. But obi aka send bi wo ha tama me bisa wo say about pen na umbetin di abokro no. Obi bisa I say okay I say they will still bribe the auditors.
And so we say about technology it's sometimes it's hard to bribe say auditor no say bribe na ye be hu say wa bribe no and yet to say nipa that's near what is a question in sim say we auditor no almost sequence I'm afraid very almost formulas almost used to audit and so obi mu say and yet right audit no the yeah one guy no who say with you as an auditor because not just obi am to me obi am to me what say on enti yeah, I'm to which me I be bisa but sometimes in company auditor no na why and what the bribe na question is So and yes, it's easy say meaning say kweku asamwa ya audit and me make akwohwehwe no that be wa krampo unnim ni pakro no ye audit no enti ebe din say bisa no yeah.
Okay. Kwame Nyansa so that I say I need a job. Can I work with him?
Yeah, it depends on what they are watching. I mean, I make consistency and you per se launch it, in Ghana. A first me a company now me started. My friend is Xenotech, na a share project US and Canada. Emma and for on my radio, on my radio Ghana. And so, who skill set, IT skill set. You bet me I should share projects, now, yeah, I collaborate. No, why you waiting? Yeah.
All right. I just